Hello everybody and welcome to the live streaming. Hope you're good, hope you're doing fine. So for those who are first time there, let me introduce myself first. I am Christian. I am a full-time trader with 12 years of experience now and the trading coach for the last 4 years. So I haven't been there online for previous couple of weeks because I was sick. Then I just didn't find the time to go for this live webinar. I've been working with my clients inside of the academy and so on. So now I decided to make the webinars again every Sunday with the same time, 8 p.m. in my time. So yesterday I have posted the poll in Telegram and mostly of you guys were voted that you like to have the webinars on Sunday 8 p.m. and yeah, I will do that on this time. It suits with me and I'm happy that mostly you guys will have time, most of you will have time to join as well. Okay, so what we will talk on this webinar is I will go through some trading psychology. We will talk about the next upcoming setups. This is the setups that I watch for the next week, for the week ahead. These setups may change, of course, because you know that setups can change very easily. Market can be very unpredictable, so it could change, right? So just let me remind you, everyone who is watching me live, feel free to use the chat on YouTube, and for those who are watching me on TradingView as well, use the live chat. Let me know. Let's talk a little bit. Hello everyone. So I see that people on YouTube are online already. People on TradingView are sleeping a little bit, so they will become active really soon, probably. We will see it. Okay, so just to remind you, I have decided for my trading academy, I have decided to make a special offer for you guys because I received a lot of private messages that academy was a little bit too expensive, and now I give a special offer to give you the live membership for the 50% discount, and membership for monthly it's 250 euros now per month. So go to the website if you're interested and join us. Okay, I decided to do this because I see that many of people were struggling before to find the money to join us, but they were willing to join us. So here's the chance now. It's limited time offer. Price will go back to $2,000 for the lifetime membership, and for the monthly membership it will go back to 300. Okay, so I will leave now this offer for a couple of days or a week maybe, and then we will scale back. Okay, so and there is some new things on the website. So if you go on the website, you will as well see my challenge. This is the challenge that I took. I show you everything over there. So if you go to the website, you will find everything over there. All right. So TradingView is still not there. Come on, guys. Are we live on TradingView? It's TradingView work properly. Let me know. Use the chat, please. Is there sound and screen working properly, so we know that everything is fine and we can continue? Just give me a quick confirmation in chat on TradingView, please. Very good. If this is the first time there, you will be very happy. So first, before we will start, what I would love to share with you is one interesting story that I was talking with my trader, and what happened to me at the beginning of my career. What happened was that I was struggling a lot with fundamental analysis. And I really always think about that trading, it's all about the technical analysis, and I have to dig deeper and have the best trading analysis and so on to become full-time profitable trader. And I've been stuck over there for years. I was in this loop. So what happened to me in the past was, before I become full-time profitable trader and consistent trader, I was in this loop and I didn't find the exit. I couldn't figure out what was wrong and what I did wrong in my trading, because every time when I was stopped out, what I did, I just go straight to this trade. I was analyzing the stop loss, why I was stopped out, what I did wrong, what should I fix. I should prevent having a stop losses. I feel very bad about every stop loss, and I was just caught up in this loop and couldn't move forward. And then after a year, it was a year, yeah, I find the way out. So can you imagine, after almost a year, I find the way out. I really feel pissed off sometimes. Sometimes I thought that this business is not for me. I will not develop a consistent profit over there. I won't be able to develop the consistently growing equity curve and develop a stable income that I can rely on, that I can pay my life, that I can pay for my living. Okay, I was just completely disappointed because I was constantly focusing on stop loss. I was constantly trying to avoid having stop losses. Okay, and if you can understand what I'm talking about, this was really big problem. And after some time, I finally find a way out. I just stopped blaming myself to having to be stopped out. I just stopped doing it. And once I do this, and once I just start trading and start watching trading on a couple of trades, not only trade by trade, I switch my focus on next 50 trade or 100 trades, what will happen. And then I finally find the breakthrough. So if you go on my website and watch the statistic of my accounts, you will see that I took 100 or 120 trades and my profitability is very high. I am developing a consistent profits. Okay, and this is the point what you have to do if you are struggling, or if you are having, if you feel any painful emotions once you are stopped out. Because stop loss is there and you will be stopped out. You can't prevent having a stop losses. This is just part of this business and you can avoid having a stop loss. That's for sure. You will never ever have a trading without stop loss. So stop wasting your energy over there. Probably to nobody that happened, as it looks like everyone is quiet in chat. So probably you are not that guy, or that never happened to you. That's okay, that's fine. But maybe someone will will find their problems there in this this example. So I will go and start with the setups. Guys, feel free to share the problems that you are having. Let me know what is your biggest problem that you are not consistently profitable. Feel free to write down your struggles, to write down your biggest problems. Just use the chat and we will talk about those problems, because they are really important to be solved. Okay, so I will just go now to the setups and we will talk about the setups that I will watch in the upcoming week. Alright, so let me just grab a pen over there. Okay, so here we are now. Here is the Euro New Zealand. So what we did over there is we took a buy Okay, I took a buy over there. Let me just grab a pen. I took a buy there on this strong break to the upside, and I'm still holding the trade. So what I thought the price will do, the New Zealand pairs will do. New Zealand pairs should go and correct before next push to the upside. So something like this is very possible to happen, and we have to be prepared for this kind of the correction. So if you are buying it from the spot like I did over there, you can hold your trade, but watch it. Okay, see what the price is trying to do over there. If it will give you a nice correction, of course you can add more trades and trade all the way back to break this top at least, or close to this top. The similar as we did over there. Okay, so price went up, it corrects, and what we did, we took another wave to the upside. Okay, so this is the minimum what you can catch. So if the price will go and correct over there, that will give you just the additional confirmation, and you can start watching for the buy over there. It could be very easy trade, but for those, if some of you catch from the bottom as I did, you just can hold it. Just hold it, and once this correction will be completed, you can keep on adding more trades on the way to the upside. All right. Okay, the next trade, pound New Zealand, same. Oops, sorry. Pound New Zealand, same there. Okay, so what the price did, as all New Zealand. Okay, so you already know what I did. I was buying the New Zealand on the second place, and I was selling the New Zealand pairs on the first place. So what I was watching New Zealand to drop across the market. Okay, previous week I was watching to that the New Zealand will lose its strength across the market. So based on that, I was selling Euro New Zealand, Pound New Zealand, Aussie New Zealand, and buying, and I was selling the New Zealand yen. Alright, and I will still do this. I will still stick to that direction because I still see that the New Zealand will lose its strength across the market, but what it has to do, it has to correct. Okay, so I would love to see some confirmation, some correction, and that will clearly identify that the price will continually push higher. So as it did over there, as I'm always showing you those corrections, they will do exactly similar thing over there, and then the price will push much higher. But until we don't have this confirmation, don't chase the price. Okay, so if you are in the price for somewhere there on those levels, that's totally fine. You can hold it and just watch how this New Zealand will develop over there. All right, so keep an eye, watch this correction. Aussie New Zealand, same there. So as you can see, there was a nice sign that the price will go and break to the upside. So we would love to see now some correction over there, similar like this one, and then a next push to the upside, which will go again and break this top at least. So very good to watch in the upcoming week. So keep an eye over there and see how this is going to play out. New Zealand yen as well. So what I do over there is I was selling it from the top. I'm still in this trade, okay, still holding the trade, and now I will not get into the sell over there as it stands right now. What I would love to see is there some bigger correction before I will take any sell. I don't sell over there as it stands right now. I will just watch it. So I really don't recommend you getting into the trade from as it stands right now. But if you get the correction, then yes, you can start watching and get into this sell, because this sell could be very nice sell. It's going to go and break back to that low. What will cause the New Zealand yen to push that much lower? New Zealand will lose its strength, and the yen is what I'm watching to gain its strength across the market. So if the yen will be gaining, then we will have even stronger movement, which will go and break those lows over there. So really good setup, which is still active. It doesn't matter if you're not in from the top as I am, so you should not feel worried. Okay, no worries, because there is always a chance, and you should not feel any fear of missing out. That's one of the biggest mistakes that traders are having. Okay, so, and why they are triggering trades too early and then they were stopped out. Okay, there is one interesting story which I would love to share with you. I've been working with one trader, and we've been working with him for 3 months. At the first month, what he did was we set the rules, we defined how he will be entering the trade and so on, and what are his rules, what he will have to stick on. So we basically developed the trading plan that totally fits with him and he can rely on. Of course, he tested that on the demo account. He felt very good. He was more than amazed. He was more than happy with the results he was able to develop with this trading plan, and he couldn't believe it that it was so easy. It was so easy. He was sticking to the rules only. He didn't feel any emotions. We did some mindset training and he was more than happy. He already saw him as a full-time consistent trader, but then something happened. Then he moved to the real account. I really saw him that he's totally prepared for the real account, and I told him, and we were discussing about, yeah, you are now fully prepared and ready to go on the real account. Okay, so he did. He finally opened trading account. He switched on the real. He started trading, but things get complicated then. So what happened with him? I was really shocked because I haven't seen that someone can be that scared, let's say like that. Because what he did, what was his problem was, he was not able to stick to his rules. He was not able completely, he was not sticking to his trading rules. He thought that he know what the market is going to do. He was increasing his risk. He thinks so. He thinks that he knows exactly what the market is going to do and that he will take the chance. But market gave him a lesson, of course, because he didn't stick to his rules. We have a discussion about. In the middle of this, we were discussing about. I talked to him that why is he not sticking to his rules, and he said, oh, I stick to my rules, that's fine, I know what the market is going to do. Okay, and we were like, okay, but your trading journals are not showing that you are sticking to your trading rules. What happened? So he didn't listen to me. He have to lose some more percent of his account, so he was down, I think, 20%. And after that, he finally realized and confirmed to himself. So he accepted that he was wrong. Okay, so he finally accepted he was wrong. He really felt pissed off. It was really hard moment which he was having. He couldn't believe what he did. And we've been discussing about this, and thank God that he lost only 20%. He just lost 20%, and never mind what we did, we just have a small discussion about it, and we talk about, we add some additional rules to fix these problems, and he now can stick to the rules. So he later on switched back to the real account, and now he's able to stick to the trading rules again, but before he wasn't. So his problem was just this switch from the demo to real. He thought that he knows everything. He is the best, one of the best. He knows what he's doing. He felt like he's moving the market. That was his problem. Alright, so the lesson about this example is that you always have to stick to the market. It doesn't matter what. Okay, it doesn't matter what. You have to stick to your trading rules. You have to write them down. Write them down on the list of paper and put it in front of your computer. So once you are trading, you know what you're doing. If you don't do that, believe me, you won't be able to generate a consistent profit. That's for sure. No, you'll be just wasting your time. And that's the saddest part of the trading. Mostly typical traders are losing their time for nothing. Okay, they are losing years over there, years before they realize that they need the trading plan. Okay, so don't be one of them. Try to defined those rules earlier, try to stick to them. All right, so let's go, let's move forward. Pound yen, what I will do, this is still chart that I'm watching for more sell. What the price can do over there, this can go down. I will start selling it, okay? I will start watching for the potential sell setups, but if the price will do something like this, give me any correction over there, it can easily go back at this trend line, okay? So be very careful. Yen will not gain some strength that fast, but you have to start watching for your sell setups. Okay, keep an eye, take every sell stop, get out if the trade is not going in your favor, if it's not moving as based on your rules, and wait more. All right, but definitely I will watch this one for the sell. It has a nice potential downside. Everything is in line, it is in line, but it could just correct over there and go up. Then I may even decide to go for this buy, because this buy could be very nice. This could be something like this, some correction over there, and then another push to the upside. I think there is a nice money to be made, and we can as well go for this buy opportunity over there on the pound yen. Euro yen, same there. What the price can do, if price can go down, correct, it can go still more upside. But definitely we have to start watching for the sell, because once the price will drop, you can sell over there. That's too late, way too late. It's if you are going to sell over there from this standpoint. You have to be in this sell earlier, and you have to have a good risk to reward ratio as well. All right, Chief Yen, same there. Okay, as you can see that I'm watching all the yen pairs for more downside. Okay, yen pairs for more downside, but be very careful. They can get complicated over there as they are standing right now. Okay, so they can give you one more correction, and then they will push more upside. All right, or they can drop down. So which one? You have to be prepared for the both of the options, because as it looks like, if you go watch the lower time frame, it's a very nice sell stop over there. We break the top, everything gets in line, everything gets perfect, so worth of taking the sell over there. CAD yen as well over there, the same opportunity. Okay, so this one can start its way and drop from here, or it can go correct over there, stop by this trend line, go for another extension. This will be just a little bit bigger movement, okay, just like this, going back at the top, give us some price action from the trend line, and then start to drop. Which one it will be, nobody knows. Nobody knows, anything can happen, so we have to be prepared for every chance and get into the trade on time when we will have any signs. Or currently we don't have anything to sell. You can sell as it stands right now. This can just extend and push higher from this point. It can go over there. But if this will gives you any price action over there around this trend line, you can take the sell back to this trend line, see what the price is trying to do, even book some profit if you see that the momentum is dead and the price will go to the upside. Okay, you just took a break-even trade or profit over there, then you sell again from this top, and then take the whole movement, which should really nice grow your account. Hello, Boris. Nice to be there. Okay, Aussie Chief, we have to watch this one for the buy. I think that this is not the sell stop as it stands right now. This one I don't see it as a sell stop currently, and we'll see at least this pullback back at the trend line at least, and then it will drop lower. Okay, we will see the correction before another break to downside. But what I'm aiming that the price will start pushing higher, even break out of this structure, give me there a big corrective structure all the way back at this top, and then it will start pushing lower. So let me just drag the trend line over there so you guys know what I'm talking about. So this will be the stable structure that I am anticipating. So that's the reason why I'm searching for the buy stops over there and go for this kind of the movement. But if the price will not go as I expected, it will just give me the correction over there and then drop. Definitely price is not to sell over there. Okay, so you should not be selling it that low. That's not our sell stop. You should not be selling it this low. Pound USD, I'm watching for the buy setup as well over there. This could just correct, and this could be 1 to 2 correction for more downside, or it will just go and push higher. Dollar pairs are a little bit different for the upcoming week. I see that the dollar is cooking something behind the scene, okay, because it's going up very, let's say, tricky. Okay, if we switch to DXY, as you can see, there are no any big corrections over there. So that means to me, if there are no big corrections, that the price will not go that fast. We're probably 99.9% it will not go back at this top so fast. So as it did over there, and then it can go. But as you can see on this move to the upside, this move needs at least a deeper correction before it will head to the upside, before it will take this top. But what the price can do, price can just start breaking down over there very aggressively. This could become a contracting flat over there in the middle, and we will have another push to the downside. So this is the point where it is really important to read the chart properly. You have to wait for the correction. You should not be rushing for the trade. No rash decision. Okay, follow your rules. Okay, we have a couple of questions over there. Let me just quickly. All right, we have a question. I enjoy your update on how the account is doing. What is the percentage for April and May? I have posted there on the website. You can see the April was 64.40, something like that was the win rate, and the May it will be out now soon. I will update it, and it's rising nice as well. It's 65, I think 68 it's now, I think, for the May update. I will put it on the website as I did on already. Okay, so here it is. Here's where I will update you, everyone, those who are interested to watch my trading account. Over there, this is from the beginning when I start. You can as well watch the links over there for the more details about the account, my account, and verification as well. Account over there is the real, another real one. Here is the, I put all the links over there, and you can see the profitability. Okay, you can see there for the April was 70% of the profit in 120 trades. Okay, so this is what you guys have to understand. 120 trades. I didn't took only 20 trades. I took 120 to develop this nice constantly rising equity curve. And this is what you have to learn, and this is what you have to do. Learn to develop this kind of rising equity curve by not only 2 or 3 trades. You have to open a lot of trades, not only 2, 3. Keep on opening a lot of trades. Focus on 50 trades. Focus on 100 trades. Okay, you should not care what will happen in next 10 trades. That's not what it's trading about. Trading, it's not about what will happen in 10 trades. I haven't seen any trader, any professional trader like me, to develop a consistent profit, focusing only on 10 trades. I really didn't met it, and it couldn't happen. It couldn't happen that someone will develop those equity curves. As you can see, that's on 1 account, 2 account, 3 account. You see, there are a lot of accounts, and they keep going, and there's a lot of that's not a luck. That's not a luck. That's proper skill and mindset behind all this. It's not a joke. And yeah, I will give you the update. This is the April, and I will give you the update now for the May. May will be on Wednesday. It's the last, I think, the last day of the May. Let me check. Yes, Wednesday. Okay, on Wednesday we will have the statistic, and I will post it there on the website, so you can watch it over there. Okay. Can I ask you a question? Yes, of course. Why not? That's why you are here. You have to ask questions. This is why we are here. Just keep on asking questions. You should not feel scared or anything else. On your academy website, yes, on my academy website, tradewithmaster.eu, it's under every video in the description. There's the link. Even in the chat, at the top of the chat, you have the link where I have posted the website link, and you can see everything there. I will be keep on updating the website, so we'll keep you updated. It's personal. What did you mean it's personal? Oh, you mean it's the personal question? If you want to ask me something personal, you can send me the private message as well, if it's something that you don't want to share over there with the general public. I'm from Slovenia. So feel free to ask me anything on the private. So if you have anything that you don't want to share there with the general public, it's fine. Alright, so where we are at DXY, we were discussing about the DXY. I just forget what we were talking about. Yes, we were talking about that the price needs to give us there some correction or deeper pullback or total drop. Okay, these all are possibilities, because as you see in the past, we always have that correction before a next move to the upside. But there we don't have this big, this is missing. Okay, this one, it's missing over there, and that's the point why we will probably not see the push to the upside yet, until we will have a next information. So market needs to give us the next information over there. It's missing some missing puzzle. It's missing over there. So missing part of the structure, it's over there. So we have to either wait for it or be prepared to take a chance to trade it. Okay, that depends on your strategy, how you are trading, what is your trading plan, and so on. That totally depends on you. Totally depends on your style of trading. But what I will do, I will go for the sell and see. Okay, so as soon as I will have a sell stop, I will take the sell. For example, this is where I can show you. I will take this sell, and if I will see that this is the corrective movement, if this goes like this, then I will take off my sell with small profit, and then I will even go for this buy if I will see that this buy is even smaller, slower, not aggressive, blah blah blah. I can expect now for the expanded flat over there, and taking even this sell. If I will not be able, or if I will not have the setup to take that sell, then definitely I will be a buyer over there to take this big movement over there, next upcoming movement, as it happens there. There's a really nice example on trading, how you should be trading. Okay, this is a nice example. You can trade this move down, you can trade this move up, you can trade this move down, and you can then join this move to the upside. But you have to have the strategy, you need to have the edge. Okay, edge and rules, it's what you need to have in line. Alright, so pound USD. So based on this prediction of the dollar, it could give us the same. Okay, so if the dollar goes into the correction and then continues to the upside, then this will go to the downside. We will be trading it all the way back to this low. Okay, then we will go down to this low. But if the DXY will go down, what I do anticipate, then this will go to the upside, and it's really worth of taking this buy over there. We don't have a really strong momentum for the downside, so I assume and I think that we have more probability for the upside. There's the more probability for the upside. But we will see what the price will give us during the week. There should be some more signs. We should take a buy, see what happens around the trend line, and then we will decide later on what to do with the pound USD. And of course, the dollar will show us the signs as well. Euro USD, same exactly over there. This is really tricky structure. because of DXY. If it corrects and the DXY continues to the upside, we will go and take this sell, then this will become one expanded flat over there, and then the price will go back at the top. This is just in the case if DXY will gives us the correction and continues to the upside. But if the DXY will start dropping, this is what you should not miss. Okay, this is the next upcoming move. This will become a contracting flat, and then more upside is what we will have, and we will start trading into the upside direction. Okay, this trading should be easy. You just have to stick to the rules. Let's go Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, this is what I will watch as well. That's what I will pay attention over there. This has to start going lower, back at the trend line at least. If this movement will be corrective, then I will either move straight on break even or take profit. That totally depends on how the move will come down. But what I'm aiming that the price will go break out of this structure and continue the dragging lower. This will give me channel something like this, and that's my point of the sell. Okay. USDN, same there. I will watch for the sell stop. That's almost to be completed. So USDN is a very nice setup. It's climbing up very strongly. If you took a buy from there, you did a great job, perfect solution. But if you don't, you should not be buying anymore, because we are getting up very strong. This movement at least needs to correct. Okay, so if this want to go higher, it needs to correct and then go up, so you have more chances by watching the sell stop. So see what the price will do over there. It's really important that you find a price action and then take a sell. Any sell that you'll take, you have more chances and more opportunity to make money for the sell rather than sell. Okay, rather than buy. Sorry, don't watch for the buy. It's not there anymore, and this is not the spot from where you should be a buyer. I will definitely keep my eye there to go for this sell over there. Look at that one. I think it's more than a beautiful sell if we watch the higher time frame. Higher time frame, it's a nice impulsive movement downside, corrective movement, as you can see. And after this correction, what we are going to do, we will repeat this same impulse. So impulse to downside, this will just give us a nice channel. But this is going to be for the next year, for the whole year, let's say. For the whole year, we will be trading till the end of this year. We will be trading this sell over there, if it plays out so it's really important that you start watching for sell on time. So here's a nice example why you should ignore the buy setup. Buy setup will not be big, will not be something you would love to catch, because my strategy is that you have to focus on the impulsive and strong movement, fast movements, what will give you the money. You should not be trading those small movements. You have to took those big impulsive movements as they are over there. Okay, this is what you have to focus on, and this is where you will make money for the living, and there will be no headache, because you know when trades are going nicely, you have nothing to do. You can just watch your account grow, and that's all. Okay, it's fun. It's really fun having these kind of trades because you don't have additional work with them. Okay, and last two of them are Pound Aussie and EuroCAD. Pound Aussie is what you have to be aware of and careful. This one still can give us the correction and go another leg higher to break this top at least, or it will just start breaking lower. Okay, it really needs to shows us any signs over there, so be careful with Pound Aussie. If you don't know how to trade it, it could be a little bit difficult over there. EuroCAD, this is something I took on Friday. I took on the Friday this sell. It's already running on my account. We'll see how it plays out, but definitely I will watch it to go down there back at the trend line at least. And if the price will be struggling around the trend line, I will watch to take some profit. But what I do anticipate is break through the trend line and extend to the downside. That's the point, and this is the direction which I will trade. But like I said, I have to be careful over there, and this is the reason why I'm not selling over there. That's not spot where you should be a seller. Alright? So this is everything from my side for the setup that I watch for the upcoming week. And maybe I will change some of them, but for now it stands like that. I will not change it. Definitely what I will do, New Zealand pair is what I will watch for the correction, and I will add more trades because I'm in the trades already, but we'll be keep on adding more trades. Yen pair, it's what yen, only the yen. GPY, it's what I'm watching to gain some strength across the market, and that means that all yen pairs will start dropping. So pound yen, euro yen, New Zealand yen, CAD yen, chief yen, all of them will start going lower because of strengthening of the yen. Okay, this is my main focus currently, what I will watch. And of course dollar is really interested in the upcoming week. It has to show us and prove to us that it will continue its way to the upside. Okay, it will confirm with the correction. If there it will be the correction, then we can anticipate and expect that the dollar will go higher, will gain some strength across the market. But if not so, it will start dropping, and you should take the benefits from this sell on DXY. If the DXY will start dropping, then very nice opportunity to take will be the pound USD. Pound USD has a very nice structure for more upside. Okay, this is some view on how and what I will trade for the upcoming week, and like I said, I will update you with the trading, how it is going, how I am progressing with this FTMO challenge. I'm already up $1,100 in 30 days, so that's nothing to hide. You will see this one as well. Okay, and just to remind you, there is the special offer if you want to join my team, join my academy, if you want to learn trade professionally, if you decide to become a professional trader, a consistently profitable trader who will develop a constantly rising equity curves. Feel free to join us. There is the special discount. I give you the special discount. Membership, lifetime membership now are $1,000. Okay, this is the 50% of discount. So grab your chance. Don't miss this out, because I will not leave this offer for long. Okay, this is the limited time offer, and membership, monthly membership, it's down for €50, so it's $250. So just go to the website, you will find everything over there. Okay, so trading course over there, it's what you'll find everything. Okay, you can see there are the discounts. You will get, of course, the bonus of 2-hour one-on-one lesson. Here is what you will get by joining the academy. You can read everything into details and so on. And here's the discount on for the monthly membership as well. Monthly membership is the same as the lifetime membership, but the difference is that there it's what you pay only once. You pay only once and you are with us forever. You'll get everything, all the updates, everything. But member is just for the monthly. You will be paying monthly membership. That's the difference. Alright, so I will slowly end the webinar over there. Let me see the chats as well. Do we have any questions? I just subbed to your channel. That's perfect. So feel free, guys, to subscribe to the channel. Click the like button. That means a lot to me. So click the like button. Share the webinar with others. There are many people that are still struggling, and they would love to join the webinar as well to learn something new, something special. Because I see every time I see there are a lot of traders learning something new. So do you have a question? So do you have different accounts you're trading? Yeah, I have a lot of trading accounts. What happened to the $1 million account? The $1 million account was just the example for every one of you. That was just the example, demonstration of the skills, what you can do. But I have the rest of the accounts. The YouTube videos account updates were awesome. You should bring them back. Yeah, I'll try to do my best. Very nice, bro. Thank you very much, Boris. I'm seeing that you don't trade gold. Yeah, I'm currently not trading gold, but I can watch the gold for you and oil if you want, but then I will slowly end the webinar over there. It's been already 15 minutes and I don't want to have too long webinars, because then those webinars are not interested for the general public. When someone will see the webinar, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes, people usually got scared and they don't watch the webinar. So I will try to keep them lower than an hour. So yeah, we can watch the oil and gold, of course, for you. We will comment it. For crypto, can you have a look on TLM, USDT and Matic? Yes, we can have a quick look on those pairs. I will add it and quickly watch. Thanks for doing this. I must say I'm impressed by your analysis. I have been following you on and off for a long time, and you are right very often. That is a rare thing. Yeah, this is the strategy. That's the strategy which is in my favor. Alright, thank you very much for your positive feedback. So let's take a look on the oil and gold. Oil and gold. Which oil would you love me to watch? US oil or UK oil? Use the chat, let me know. In the meantime, I will show you the gold. This is the gold analysis that I did for one of my traders. He was asking me to show him the gold analysis, what I do anticipate. Gold analysis can go higher. Don't sell from as it stands right now. Okay, this could be the channel, and this channel can start its way to the upside. It's going down very slowly and in a lot of corrective structures over there. So this could either correct and then go lower, or it will break out totally. So keep in mind, make sure that you know and aware what the price is trying to do. Currently, I don't recommend you taking any sells as it stands right now. We break the previous low, we are at the bottom of the channel, and I don't love to take any sells over there. You have more chances with the buy, so probability is definitely buy, and then you will see what the price is trying to do. Either a correction or either a next push to the upside. Something of this is very likely to happen. We appreciate your cooperation. Thank you very much. US oil. Okay, US oil. You want to see the US oil? This one. Let me see the bigger structure. What this is trying to do. I think that this one can go up and then it can start to reverse downside, break and tag those lows again, and then we can get another high. Okay, that's what I do anticipate. But this pattern is very dangerous to trade, so I don't see the buy anyway. Okay, what you can do, you can go for this buy. If you find the setup that suits with you, you can go for this buy setup and see what the price will do around the previous top. You either have to take profit, or you either have to move your trade and break even and see if it extends a little bit higher. Then this is the bonus for you, because it's going to do something like this, and then still it can go lower. All right, so be very careful with the oil over there as it stands right now. How much money you make from trading? I make a lot of trading. The question was how much I make. I make a lot of money. I have a pretty expensive lifestyle, so I can pay my expenses for it. So once you will have the skills to build those equity curves, and once you will be able to develop this consistency with trading, that you can pay yourself every 30 days, that you can withdraw money every 30 days, that means you have the skills, and every money will be available to you. Making money will become an easy part for you, easy job for you. Okay, and building wealth will become easy, and that's the point. So once you will acquire those skills, once you have the mindset for this, money will not be the problem Has he done natural gas yet? No, I didn't done it. We'll do that next time probably. I will just now switch to couple of crypto. Crypto, it's what some of you would love to see. TLM USDT. Oh, sorry, that's not T. TLM USDT. All right, so this one. Oh, that's an old analysis. Sorry. Oh, no, it's not analysis. It's just the trend line. So what we can have over there? Let's see. What the price can do over there is, this is the impulse, this is the corrective structure over there, and it can go for another leg higher, give you the correction, and then another leg lower. This will just give you one big correction over there, and then another leg higher. But be very careful. Once this is completed, make sure that you keep your trades on ice. Okay, so don't play too much over there with crypto. How many years of experience do you have? I have 12 years of experience. 12 years of experience and 4 years as a trading coach. So there's a lot of experience. You would love to see the Matic USD as well. Yes, we can do that Matic USD as well for you. Just give me this one, and let me add Matic USDT. How it's spelled? M-A-A-T-I. How it's spelled is Matic. M-I-T. Oh, it's there. Sorry, I didn't saw it. I was blind. Matic USDT is same. Okay, same. Be careful over there. Be very cautious with crypto those days, because as you can see, this is very corrective structure. We are having this big corrective structure over there. We are breaking out, and even we have a correction out. That could be dangerous, so be very careful what you're doing. This can start breaking down, and we can see break of the previous lows again. So make sure that you are aware of what you're doing. If you would love to buy, let it go up, let it give you the correction over there in this direction, and then take a buy. Don't buy over there as it stands right now. It's really not right time, and you are selling on really tricky spot. It can go down very fast, so it's dangerous. So make sure that you're not jumping into the trade as it stands right now. That has more chances to drop. Okay, more probability is bigger for sell than a buy. So be careful. Okay. How much collateral do you have in your trading account, and what leverage do you use? How much collateral? What is the collateral do you have on your trading account? I use very small leverage. I don't leverage a lot. I use very small leverage because I don't over risk. I keep my risk very small, and that's the reason why I don't leverage a lot. My leverage is 1 to 30, very small. Could you please do Ripple? Yes, let's do the Ripple, and this will be the last analysis that I will do for today. Let me do that. XRP USDT. Ripple over there. Let's see what the price is trying to do. This one can go higher, but you should be in the trade already. That's not the spot where you can have a buy. Let's wait for another pullback, and then you can buy. Don't buy as it stands right now, because this can go down as well. This could be the structure for sell, and this can go lower. Oh, I just didn't sorry for that. I didn't switch to the camera, sorry for that. Okay. So yeah, this is the move that it's very dangerous. Wait for the correction, wait for something before you will jump into the trade, because you should be the buyer from there, not the buyer from there. That's not good spot for buying. But if it gives you the correction, then yes, you can get the buy and take it at least back to these tops over there, and then you will decide what the price is going to do. But I think that the crypto can go another leg lower. Be careful, it could be dangerous. Look at that one. That's looking like a nice sell stop. Okay, if you go into the details, this and then another leg lower and then up. Okay, just to break the low, that's very possible, but that's not the case. What you have to do is let it give you the confirmation and take a buy and see what happens. Okay, you always have to take every opportunity, take everything that the market will give you and see how it plays out. You have to be open for everything. Okay. Okay, so this is it. I will end the webinar over there slowly. Oh, the question is, I mean, if you withdraw a salary every month from your trading account, how much basis do you leave there for the benefit of your trading? I usually take all my profit. I take all my profit, and I'm always have, for example, like on 10K. This is just example of one account, okay? Just give me the example of one account, because I'm doing the same for all accounts. If I have the 10K account, okay, if I make $1,100, I take this everything, I withdraw this everything, and I'm trading only with this. Okay, I'm always having the 10K. 10K, it's my stable, and what is the profit? I always pay myself. Okay, profit is what I always pay myself from every account. I never leave profits over there. I don't need to. Okay, once you have a bigger account, you don't need to leave it or to stack it for a bigger account. You can just make withdrawals constantly. Okay, so this is it. Hope you guys have enjoyed the webinar. I will end the webinar over there, so feel free to share the webinar with your friend, hit the like button, make sure that you subscribe, that you will join us once we are going live next time. And if you're interested to join our team to become a full-time professional trader and build the stable income that you can rely on, feel free to go to the website tradewithmaster.eu. There are the discount currently, which is limited offer time, and once you will complete the payment, I will give you the access for everything. But if you have any questions, additional questions, feel free to send me the private message as well. Okay, so take care, enjoy your trading, and make sure that profits are with you. Bye bye, see you in the next webinar.